Favorite part, breakfast. Mad Monkey Hanoi is parang famous din ito na accommodation, guys.
Mad Monkey.
Mad Monkey. Very Hanoi, very Vietnam. Super nice yung sink nila, guys, in fairness. It's a rainfall shower. So here is our bed. I highly recommend this one. Yung location-wise, as in, sobrang ganda, guys. As in. Akala ko sa Vietnam is walang winter. Sobrang laki niya, guys, as in. Ayan, oh. Bongga, uy. Come and go here na sa Vietnam, guys. Hey, besties! Good morning! It's officially our day 1! Yay! So, it's currently 8 a.m. here in Hanoi. Right now is mag-avail na kami sa aming free breakfast. So afterwards is room tour ko kayo dito sa aming accommodation. So tara, mag-breakfast muna tayo. Let's go! So ito yung room pala namin, guys. Ayan. And another room here. Nasa 8th floor kami. Nasa ano tayo? Pinakataas na floor. Let's go! Favorite part, breakfast. So they gave us ano pala, guys, ticket, breakfast ticket. So from 7 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. So ito yung name ng aming accommodation, guys. So Hanoi Traveler House. I guess ito yung parang free breakfast namin. So meron silang fried egg, bacon, sausage, omelette bacon, omelette sausage, scrambled eggs, pancake, and all. Wow. Baby. Paling kamot yun. I believe, guys, pwede din kayong kumuha nito. Ano to?
Number 3.
I don't know.
Fried rice, garlic rice, garlic sticky rice, and meron pa yan. Ibang choices dyan. Yay! So we have melon, corn. Parang ano to siya, guys, so sticky rice, garlic sticky rice. Tapos ito parang, I don't know what's this. Also waiting for our omelette. Omelette bacon. What's this?
Okay ra.
Okay na siya, pero next aftertaste.
Wala.
Hey, thank you. Look, our food is here. Omelette bacon with pan. So, parang siyang bun char. Ayun. Tapos, ito yung side dishes ko. Meron din akong saging. Tapos, I have here tea. I don't know what's the name of their tea, guys, pero sobrang sarap, as in. Parang gusto ko siyang ipasalubong. Then, merong coffee si John. Tapos, ayun, nag-sticky rice siya. So, same kami ng order. Bacon, omelette. Ayun. So, free lang ito, guys. Free. Hindi ako. Favorite part of the trip is to eat.
Ano lang mo?
Ito.
Pagtuloy mo.
Thank you, Lord, for the food. Hey, besties! Finally, we are done eating na, guys. Sobrang busog and sulit. So, by the way, we stayed here pala. Ayan siya, oh. Yung name ng hostel namin. Hanoi Traveler House. Ayan siya. And then, katapat niya is yung Mad Monkey Hanoi. So, Mad Monkey Hanoi is parang famous din ito na accommodation, guys.
Mad Monkey?
Mad Monkey! So, Mad Monkey Hanoi is also very famous, guys, especially people or foreigners from Western siguro. Kasi most of them is, yun yung mga nag-check-in dyan. Famous siya kasi meron siyang gimmick dyan in the evening. Mga parang tagay-tagay, ganyan. So, very famous yung Mad Monkey Hanoi. So, katapat niya is yung pinagsayahan namin na Hanoi Traveler House. So, yan yung forma niya. Ayan. So, maraming pagkainan dito, guys. So, ito yung forma niya once in the morning. In the evening guys, sobrang vibrant ng colors niya. No, as in kasi, tingnan nyo yung mga trees nila dito guys, oh. Merong mga lantern. So, in the evening is iilaw yan. So, which means yan yung parang nagbibigay buhay dito sa Hanoi Old Quarter. So guys, very Hanoi, very Vietnam. Hey besties, ayan, we are back na sa aming accommodation. So, ito yung door guys, oh. Ayan, yan yung door namin. And then, they gave us key card. Tapos, ito yung switch nila. Ayan. So, after the door is merong samin dito. Salamin. Salamin, char. Ayan. So, merong mirror here. And then, sink. O, diba? Agad-agad. Sink agad. So, ayan. Merong faucet here. So, super nice yung sink nila, guys, in fairness. Tapos, meron lang trash can over there. And merong mat or rug. So, ayan yung forma. So, door. And then, here is the mirror. And then, katapat niyan is eto. So, separated yung sink nila, guys. Hindi siya sa loob ng toilet or yung CR nila. So, eto yung CR. And then, ta-da! Here is our CR. Toilet. Tapos, here is the tissue. So, ano siya? Parang walang lagayan ng tissue dito, guys. So, they provide us tissue lang, dalawa. And good thing, meron siyang bidet. Ayan, merong bidet. And then, here is the shower. Ayan. Oh, nice! It's a rain shower, rainfall shower. Ayan siya. And then, eto guys, merong view. So, window. Here is the view. So, parang neighborhood. Ayan siya. May sunlight tayo dito. Ayan. So, here is the shower. Then, mayroong shampoo. Ayan. Then, that's it. And, no, here pala. Meron din sila provide sa amin na towels. Ayan. May lagayan lang here. And then, that's it. So, basically, ganyan yung forma niya. Very basic, actually. Pero, in all fairness naman, malinis. So, let's go. Ayan. After here, sa CR, tanan! Here is our room. Guys, please bear with us. Medyo makalat. Kasi, nagstay na kami dito overnight. So, please bear with us. Medyo makalat siya. So, ayan. Here is the TV. Then, here is our bed. Loading. So, here is our bed. So, meron siyang pang ganito, guys, no? Char. So, here's the bed. By the way, guys, eto, diba, yung door, tapos yung mga switch. So, meron din, dito, oh, outlet, another outlet. So, same lang siya sa atin sa Pinas, oh, na outlet. Then, meron siyang bed here. Then, ayan, oh, meron siyang aesthetic light. Very nice, oh, char. Parang siyang, wine glass. Tama ba? Ayan, so, here is our bed. So, here is our luggages lang. So, medyo malawak yung aming room, in all fairness naman. So, meron lang dyan, guys, oh, cabinets. Ayan. So, please bear with us, guys, no? Kasi medyo magulo na yung room namin. Hindi na namin i-open yung mga luggages namin kasi by tomorrow is mag-check out kami kasi pupunta tayo sa Sapa! Yay! We are so excited for that one. So, basically, 2 nights lang kami dito sa Hanoi. Tapos, mag-Sapa kami. That's 4 nights in total sa Sapa. And then, after Sapa, babalik ulit kami sa Hanoi for another 2 nights. Yay! Pero, ibang naman. Once after sa Sapa, once babalik tayo dito sa Hanoi is ibang naman, accommodation. So, yeah, sa old quarter pa rin yung aming accommodation. Pero, na-book namin yung second namin na accommodation sa Hanoi is sa Airbnb. Kasi dito, guys, na-book lang namin siya sa Agoda, which is first time namin siyang ma-purchase or first time namin gumamit ng Agoda. Before that, tara, continue tayo sa ating room tour. So, yan, the cabinet. So, they gave us, yan, tubig. Free water. So, mayroon tissue here. Then, mga complimentary tea and tsaka coffee. Heater. Yan, meron lang silang dito. Glasses. So, meron table here. So, actually, guys, yung chair is dito siya nakalagay. Pero, kinuha ko lang siya kasi I'm using my laptop over there. And then, my outlet again. Then, here is another side table. Tapos, yung cabinet na, open natin. Ayun siya. Ooh, nice nito. Kaso, we can't use this one kasi nga, we will just be staying here for 2 nights. So, ayan, meron din palang lock safe, ayan. Meron siyang lock safe. I don't know if you guys could see it, no? Pero yan, lock safe yan. And then, in here pala, merong ref. Yan, meron siyang ref dito. So, walang laman. Ayan. And then, after that one is, merong aircon dito. So, yung aircon pala namin, guys, is merong heater at saka air conditioner. So, basically, parang two-way AC yung aircon namin. So, since winter dito sa Hanoi, so we can use or turn on yung heater para at least mainit sa loob. Kasi sobrang lamig sa labas, guys. I think mga 14 degrees. So, yan. Meron ding window here. Yan. Pero, wow. Pero, yung ano lang, view niya is, yan, neighborhood. Hindi yung sa Hanoi Street talaga. So, we can open this one for more lights from the sun. So, that's it, guys, for our room tour. So, again, na-book namin ito sa Agoda. So, first time namin mag-book or mag-try or mag-purchase sa Agoda. So, ano siya, guys, parang so far naman, no, yung experience namin
So far, so great. So, ano siya, we paid the accommodation here sa hotel kasi meron siyang option na pay at the hotel. So, yun yung ginawa namin. And then, yung airport transfer pala is meron siyang parang additional charge. So, we opted na lang that one kasi parang same lang din yung price dun sa Grab if ever from Noi Bai to Old Quarter. So, yung Old Quarter kasi, guys, is medyo malayo siya from the airport. So, it took around 1 hour, more or less. Yun yung parang travel time from Noi Bai International going to the Old Quarter. So, right now, mag-freshen up kami, guys. So, parang, ano, wala pa kaming ligo. Kumain lang kami kanina sa breakfast namin. By the way, we booked this through Agoda, di ba? And then, yung parang per night niya is, I think basta lahat na nabayaran namin, guys, is mga 5,000 plus yata, including na yung airport transfer. So, with breakfast also. So, nakita niyo naman sa video yung mga possible na breakfast nyo if ever pupunta rin kayo or magstay din kayo dito sa Hanoi Traveler House. So, you can also check this out, guys. I highly recommend this one. In all fairness naman, sobrang ganda ng accommodation. And then, yung customer service is also great. As in, great talaga. Kasi pag entrance pa lang namin kahapon, they guide us for check-in. Tapos, sila din yung nagdagdala ng aming mga luggages going to the room. Very hospitable talaga sila. No? As in, parang 10 over 10 yung hospitality na pinakita nila sa amin. And then, yung room naman, basically, malawak siya. As in, for the price, malawak na siya. And then, yung cleanliness, it's very okay din. Siguro mga 4 over 5. And then, what else? Yung location-wise, as in, sobrang ganda, guys. As in. Lumabas kasi kami kahapon, ay kagabi, right after nung nag-check-in kami kasi bumili kami ng banh mi at saka pumunta ng isang parang store dito sa Old Quarter. So, guys, sobrang ganda. As in, sobrang vibrant. Basta, nakakaganda sa mata or nakakaganda sa paningin. Parang sulit na sulit siya, no? Bibisa? As in, parang, the moment pa lang nung nakita namin while nasa taxi kami or nung sa private car, parang wow. No? Yung vibrant ng Hanoi, tapos yung weather, sobrang lamig. At first, guys, nung nagtakay kami sa car, yung private car for airport transfer is, medyo mainit siya kasi I guess hindi nag-on yung aircon siguro, parang or fan lang yata siya. Tapos nung inopen ni Kuya yung window niya, guys, sobrang lamig, as in sobrang lamig ng parang ano, nangurog. Kung sa Bisaya pa nangurog, unsay Tagalog? Sa
nangurog. Nang lalamig. Basta, guys, ang lamig talaga niya. So,
right now pala is kinda sunny pala ngayon, parang 18 degrees. So yun yung parang one of the points sa amin yung weather talaga sa Hanoi. So ano siya no guys, akala ko sa Vietnam is walang winter, pero upon researching and meron ako mga videos na kita, oh, merong winter sa Vietnam. Okay, let's go! Another bucket list. So ayan, we choose Hanoi tsaka Sapa kasi we love winter weather or yung winter season. Kasi guys, we are so deprived of winter. Char! Kasi sobrang init sa Pinas. Kauwi! So ayan guys, I think that's it no. Right now, mag-chill muna kami. Work, chill. Ayan, so after that one is kami, bus tour. 1 hour yata na hop-in bus tour. So, mag-freshen up muna, chill, freshen up, then mag-tour na, tsaka i-try namin yung Bancong Cafe. Yata siya kasi isa din yun sa mga famous restaurant or cafe dito sa Hanoi. Parang aesthetic siya nga, cafe place. Basta ang ganda niya. So, see you guys later on. Bye! Tingnan nyo guys, meron kaming nabili na grapes dito sa Old Quarter. Ayan siya. Sobrang laki niya guys, as in. Ayan oh. Oh my God! Tapos, nakuha lang namin to for 50,000 Vietnamese dong. So, that's around 115 pesos. So, mga 1 kilo siya. Pero, oh my God, look at that. Diba? Bongga, uy. Come and go here na sa Vietnam, guys. Sobrang sulit. As in, ang mura. Tapos, Hanoi is parang favorite city na namin kasi because of the weather. And the vibe, as in, kakaiba yung vibe ng Hanoi.